Hello, little adventurers, and welcome to a spooky, magical story. Are you ready for an exciting Halloween tale? Great! Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a town decorated with jack-o'-lanterns and twinkling lights, there lived a cat named Timmy. Timmy wasn't just any cat. He was Timmy, the brave cat. He had a sleek black coat, bright green eyes, and a heart full of courage. On the edge of town stood a tall, crooked house, known to everyone as the House of Hollow Screams. The wind would whistle through its broken windows, making it sound like the house was always sighing. Most animals were too scared to go near it, but not Timmy. I bet it's not so scary inside, he thought with a flick of his tail. I'm going to find out. So, on the night before Halloween, under a big glowing moon, Timmy padded silently to the front door. Asterisk, Cree EAK. Asterisk, the door swung open all by itself. Timmy took a deep breath, puffed out his chest, and stepped inside. The hallway was dark and long. Spooky shadows danced on the walls. From deep within the house, he heard a faint giggle. Asterisk, he. Asterisk, it wasn't a scary giggle. It sounded more like someone was telling a funny joke. Curious, Timmy followed the sound. He tiptoed into a huge living room. There, floating near the ceiling, were 3 see-through ghosts. They weren't moaning or groaning. Instead, they were playing a game of tag, giggling as they zoomed through each other. When they saw Timmy, they stopped. Hello, said the smallest ghost. We have a visitor. Don't be scared, we're just the giggle ghosts. Timmy, surprised, simply meowed a friendly hello back. He learned that the ghosts were lonely and just wanted someone to play with. But they had a bigger problem. The magic of Halloween is fading, they explained. The great pumpkin in the attic, the source of all Halloween joy, has lost its glow. Timmy knew he had to help. The ghosts pointed him toward the stairs. As he climbed, he heard a soft voice whispering from the walls. Over here, ... a little help. Timmy looked around and saw a tiny bat tangled in some old cobwebs. This was Barnaby, a very clever bat who knew all the secrets of the house. Thank you for freeing me. Barnaby squeaked after Timmy carefully untangled him. I heard you're going to the attic. I can show you the way. With his new friend fluttering beside him, Timmy felt even braver. Barnaby knew a secret passage behind a large painting which led them right up to the attic door. Inside the dusty attic, they found a giant pumpkin sitting in the middle of the room. It should have been glowing brightly, but its light was just a weak flicker. Hiding behind it was a small, shy pumpkin with a worried look on its face. This was Pip. I'm supposed to tell the great pumpkin a funny joke to make it glow, Pip whispered, but I'm too scared to speak up. Timmy smiled kindly. He knew what it felt like to be scared, but he also knew that friends help each other be brave. Don't worry, Pip, Timmy said gently. We'll do it together. Timmy, Barnaby, and the giggle ghosts, who had floated up to help, all gathered around. They all gave Pip a big, encouraging smile. Taking a deep breath, Pip finally told his joke. "What do you call a witch's garage?" he asked quietly. The great pumpkin seemed to lean in. Pip took another breath and shouted the punchline, "A broom closet." Suddenly, a warm golden light filled the attic. The great pumpkin began to glow brighter and brighter, shining with all the magic of Halloween. The light poured out of the windows, spreading joy and cheer all over the town. The House of Hollow Screams was now the House of Happy Halloween. Timmy, Barnaby, and Pip had saved the day. They learned that sometimes the things that seem the scariest are just misunderstood, and that with a little bravery and friendship, you can overcome any fear. And so Timmy the brave cat and his new friends celebrated the best Halloween ever, proving that the greatest magic of all is kindness. I hope you enjoyed our spooky and magical adventure. Remember, being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you don't let fear stop you from doing what's right. If you liked our story, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel for more fun tales. See you next time, brave explorers.